tense. Severe gale force winds, yellow weather warning, Woking Town weather forecast, UK2023. Like video, please thumbs up. Time the mic, distance to the mic is approximately 15 minutes past 13 p.m. in the afternoon, and that's approximately 15 minutes past 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And it is the, wow, you name it guys, the 13th of March 2023, Monday 2023. Of course, Woking Town, West Woking Town, Purwood Village area. We are right now in Purwood Village. Talking about some gale force winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour. This is mental. This is very intense gale force winds. It's heavy thundering showers on the left side of the screen. Yeah, left side of the screen over there. You can see on the left side of the screen. This is very intense winds, guys. Let alone gale. You name it, guys. Very heavy thundery showers across the south for some reasons right now. I did predict this yesterday, guys, talking about 50 to 60 miles per hour. I'm always 85% right about the way across Woking Town locally. No joke. I hope you like this video. Take care on those roads today. This is your cycling, let alone, whoa. You name it, guys. This is tense, guys. This is tense, man. This is tense. Whoa, whoa. Very tense. So you like this video? Please thumbs up. Please subscribe to Sunshine Germans. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on the ITF Friday feed on the Surrey Hills Radio Station show every Friday, 3 to 5 p.m. in our log, this is about 1500, 1700, and this is me on Lara show every Sunday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on the Woking Radio Station show, John and Matt, every Sunday. So, thumbs up, subscribe to Sunshine Germans. Gale force winds, I didn't predict yesterday, guys. Always 85% no, Joe. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Subscribe to Sunshine Germans. This is West Woking Town right now. This is crazy.